Good day everyone. This is IoT reaction video. I am Kayla Chelsea T. Mindaro. We have 7 best examples of IoT in daily life. These are the most popular IoT devices that nowadays are needed in our daily life. Smart washing machines, smart TVs, vacuum cleaners, smart toothbrush, smart lights, pet finders tracking devices, smart baby monitor. Smart washing machines. This smart washing machine alerts you on the phone if the soil level of the clothes is high and then recommend a different washing cycle to improve the cleaning process. Another feature is to receive alerts when the detergent levels are low, so buy more at the supermarket. This can be controlled from your phone and allows you to program it to wash your clothes even if you are in the office. Smart TVs. Nowadays, smart TVs have Wi-Fi integrated to connect to the internet. You can even share video pics or the screen of your phone. You can also speak to it and ask for specific videos you want to watch. Vacuum cleaners. Vacuum robots take care of your floor with effortless precision. Equipped with advanced sensors, they seamlessly navigate your home, mapping out rooms and dodging obstacles like whether it's hardwood, carpet, or tile. This powerful cleaner automatically adjusts to every surface. Smart toothbrush. This device will connect to an app on the phone and show the user when a specific area of the mouth is clean. Also, the app shows the user when they need to brush their teeth or whether change the head of the product for a new one. Smart lights. Some of these smart lights can connect to Google Assistant, Alexa, or Siri, and can give commands to control them even when you are not home, wherein you could set the lights to turn on at a certain time, or maybe to persuade potential thieves to stay away from your house. Pet finders tracking devices. This device can be connected to Apple's Find My app. This device may not only be used for items like bags or case, it could also attach to the collar of a dog or cat, and through the app monitor the location of the pet. Smart Baby Monitor. This smart baby monitor device allows it to track the sleep patterns of the baby, growth, breathing, room temperature, and humidity. Advantages of IoT. IoT can help companies gather real-time data to track performance and optimize processes. IoT can automate monotonous and time-consuming tasks which can save time, money, and resources. Disadvantages of IoT. IoT devices collect sensitive data which can increase the risk of data breaches and privacy violations. As tasks are automated, the need for human labor will decrease, which can impact employability. Disadvantages of IoT. IoT rely heavily on the internet and are unable to function effectively without it. Overuse of the internet and technology makes people unintelligent because they rely on smart devices instead of doing physical work, causing them to become lazy. In my own insights, IoT should not be used in our daily life In example, the use of vacuum cleaners and smart toothbrush. Cleaning our own house without these devices will be a great help for us to perform physical exercises in simple way, and also using smart toothbrush is not helpful because we should not rely on when it will say if we need to toothbrush. We have to be responsible enough to determine when are we going to brush our teeth and when to change our toothbrush. For me, it is better not to rely on technology and rely on what we can do in simple ways becomes simple living can reduce stress and anxiety and can reduce dependency on technology services. My key takeaway from using IoT devices was not to rely on internet and technology and to not dependent in using automated devices and live simple life. In my own opinion, IoT can be both good and bad for society depending on how it is implemented and managed because there are significant potential benefits like efficiency and can raise concern regarding security and privacy. So be responsible in using IoT. Thank you for watching and listening.